Hello crafty hearts, let's make a flapping bird. If I can do it, you could do it. I am your crafty too. Videos every Friday by kids. Thank you so much for subscribing. Viewers, please log into YouTube, search for Crafty 3s and click the subscribe button. Don't miss the fun. Let's play Who Am I with our crafties. Hello crafties. Hello. Clue 1. I am round in shape.
It's a soccer ball.
It's a golf ball. Clue 2. I am soft.
Oh, is it a paper ball?
No, it's a rubber ball. Clue 3. I have vitamin C in me.
Then it is citrus fruit.
Is that an orange fruit? There you go. It is an orange fruit. Congratulations, crafty hearts, if you have guessed it. Viewers, please subscribe for more fun. Come, let's play Who Am I? Clue 1. I follow you in sun. Think, think, think. Come on. Clue 2. I vanish in dark places. Have you guessed it before my last clue? Your shape is mine. I am going to tell you the answer. Who am I? I am your shadow. That is the way to play Who Am I? More fun every Friday by kids. Let's go for one more round of Who Am I? Are you ready? Clue 1. I give you rain. It's easy. It's easy. Come on, think, think. Clue 2. I give you shade. Hope you are almost near with that clue. Clue 3. I float in the air. Going to tell the answer. Ready for it? Who am I? I am rain clouds. It's riddle time with our crafties. Viewers, please subscribe to get crafty fun every Friday. Satisfaction guaranteed. Crafty hearts, thanks for supporting our passion in crafts and fun. What belongs to you but is used more by others?
What? No, I won't allow.
Think about how people call you.
They call me Crafty 1.
Hey, others call my name more than me. That's right. Now, how can a leopard change its spots?
By moving from one spot to another.
Brilliant, Crafty 1. Yeah, spot means places too. Nice riddle, I love it. Hope you all loved it too. Let's go for a riddle. What is full of holes but still holds water? I'm going to tell you the answer. A sponge. Now, what answer can you never answer yes to? Think, think, think. If you comment the answer first, you will win this video end card. Have you commented it? Do fast! The first right commenter will get the end card of this video. Hooray! To all of you who guessed it! Viewers, please subscribe to our channel as we move to proverb time. No man is an island. You can't live completely independent. Everyone needs help from other people. Like we share our knowledge on crafts, maths and riddles to you all. Do these proverbs make you stay motivated? Then we are all in the same boat. Cheer up yourself and stay motivated. Viewers, please subscribe to our channel and join our celebration every Friday. Crafties, hope you have heard about this proverb. Better late then never.
It's okay to do things late than not doing it at all.
It is encouraging to do the things first, then practice to do it in time.
Not to do always late too.
Great proverb. I love this proverb.
I will follow this proverb.
Me too. Glad we all learned new things today. Viewers, please subscribe and join our weekly fun as we move to the math time. I know multiplying by 10 is always easy, but how about 11 multiplication? To multiply 36 with 11, here is the easiest way. Have a space between 3 and 6 in your answer. Now, add 3 and 6 and put it in the space. Yes! 396 is the answer! You made it! Try multiplying 27 with 11. Add 7 plus 2, so the answer is 297. Let us multiply 86 with 11. Have a space between 8 and 6 in your answer. Now 8 plus 6 is 14. Simply add tens place to the first digit. So the answer is 946. Hope you got both the varieties. Great learning, crafty hearts along with the craft. Viewers, please click the subscribe button and join our crafty family. Spread the love and share the joy.